Hello everyone, how are you guys doing? Welcome to Wing Tarot, and today I'm coming up with another pick a card reading. So, the topic of the today's pick a card reading is are you worried about something? Then this is the message for you to comfort yourself. So, we will be looking into what is the situation which is causing you an issue, what are you worried about, something in your personal life or in your professional life as well. So we will be looking into what exactly causing this situation, then what is the comforting message from the universe, what is the angel divine guidance is trying to tell you, what universe is working in the background for you, and how you should keep your mindset. So these are the four piles to choose from. This is pile number 1, this is pile number 2, pile number 3, and pile number 4. So take your time, pause the video if you need more time, and then we can start with pile number 1. Hello, pile number 1 people. Those who have selected the first pile, let's get into your messages. So we are having tarot cards, oracle cards, and we will be looking into what are the situations causing issue in your life, what are you worried about something, and what is the comforting message from the universe. So to start with, what are you guys worried about? Exactly is causing this situation. So I'm just laying out the cards first. We will get into your oracle cards later, but let's talk about this first. The situation about you are worried. I'm getting the vibes that nowadays you are feeling lonely. You guys are not having genuine people around you with whom you can actually discuss your personal life, actually discuss your problems, and you are actually cutting people out of your life, and which is actually hurting you. You are missing the old times when you used to be with your friends or your family together. You used to celebrate with your friends and family, you used to go out, but nowadays you are sitting at home. It might be because of COVID-19 situation, you are not able to go out of your house and you are sitting alone, and people are behaving differently with you on social media. They are actually behaving differently, but face to face they used to behave differently with you, and it is making you feel sad, and you are actually questioning yourself that am I not lovable, am I really not a nice person? Other people are achieving so many things, they are having so many friends, they are hanging out with different groups of people, but you don't really have genuine friends with you. So this thing is, you are worried about this situation in which you are missing people, like missing talking to someone face to face. So I'm getting that vibe, And what exactly is causing this issue is maybe you are more focused on your career, uh, your new job opportunity, or you want to make more money and you are working hard for it, and you want to feel proud, you want to achieve something, some goals, and you are actually forgetting that yes, you need to meet people. It's not always like they should be friends with benefits, or you should only talk to those people who are useful for you, I mean in your career, and you can actually get promoted because of their support. So it's not like that. You can actually talk to some different types of people, even if they are not of your use. I mean to say that even if they are not related to your professional life, but still you can have a relation with such people. So you are only focused on money, work, job, how to achieve targets. If there is a month end, then how to achieve all the month end targets, how you will get promoted, how you can stay first in the competition if you are really giving some exam, and then how to get first place in that competition, in that exam. So you are more focused on your work, and you are having that mindset that you want to achieve something. Once you achieve something great, once you start earning money, then only people will love you, but this is not the case. You can actually find out genuine people in your life with whom you can discuss your problems, and you you can be happy. You can be happy. So you are lovable. It's not like you have to achieve something, then only people will love you. So this is actually causing the problem, and the solution for this, look at the better side of your life. I would suggest that uh, stop taking many things at a time. You need to give the task which are really not should be done by you to other people, or stop taking more workload on you. You should be free like this night of wands, and you can go anywhere wherever you want to. So this kind of, once you start giving your task to other people, then you will become free, you will get clarity, you will be more happy. It may so happen that you will get love of your life as well once you start talking to people, start hanging out with different people, or go out from your home, or start traveling again. It can be solo traveling as well. So you may find the one which you are actually looking for. So just don't get stuck in your work life or day to day routine life. Better you get out of that situation, go somewhere where you can feel relaxed, and you actually need to get out of your house, um, or go in the sun. So that phase that will help you to feel better, and you may also find different people, those who are having different mindset, and it will actually help you to grow spiritually, or I would like to say that it will make you happy, and you will actually get happiness once you are out of your house. So yes, travel is very much in your cards. So this comforting message is, if you are worried about people are not loving you, or am I really lovable, or I need to achieve something then only people will love you, no, this is not the case. The comforting message is, you should give the task to other people, stop taking more workload, be free, get out of your house, and once you start doing it, you might get the person who genuinely love you, or genuinely like you, and emotionally you will feel fulfilled. So that is the message from universe, which is working in the background for you. The cosmic heart is the card you have got. Devotion, potency, make your life a moving prayer. See, the entire point is, be grateful about the good things in your life. Instead of taking more work, better you first start appreciating where you are right now. You always be grateful about the problems also which are in your life, because these problems are giving you strength, and the solution also which universe is providing, so you should feel grateful about that as well. So the clarity is coming. If you are worried about, I don't know what to do, what should be my next step, just sit, pray to God, and you will get answers from universe, because universe is divinely guiding you. So make your life a moving prayer. And the mindset which you need to keep, sorry, the control and postponement. You should actually get out of your house. See, this is the message which we are getting again and again. See, the life outside your house, or outside your mindset is really beautiful. This work life is only there to earn money, but it does not mean that it should be the only life you could have. So you should get out of your house and see and experience the nature, and see how beautiful the life is. You should stop controlling everything. Just be free. Sometimes it's okay to take spontaneous decision. Just be free and live life fully. It's okay to be vulnerable sometimes. It's okay to not plan everything and just be spontaneous. And yes, once you have that free mindset, once you only stop wishing and actually get out of your house, and actually start admiring the beauty of nature, you will also feel that how blessed you are, and how your life is beautiful. How so this is the message. This is the message I get for you, pile number one people. Hope you will get out of this mindset and you will start living your life fully. I wish you all the best, and do subscribe my channel if this video and this message is resonating with you, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Hi pile 2, those who have selected the second pile, let's get into your messages. So today we are having tarot cards, oracle cards, which will give us insight about what you are worried about, and what is the exact thing which is causing this situation. Then what is the solution or comforting message for you guys, and what is the divine message, or what universe wants to say, or what universe is working in the background for you guys, and how you should keep the mindset. So we will see those messages one by one. So let's start with What are you guys worried about? The devil? And uh, what exactly is the thing which is causing this situation? So that is two of pentacles. So first let's talk about this. You guys are really worried about balance. So it can be anything, it can be work life balance, or you have got addicted to something and something is off the track. It can be like you are becoming workaholic, there is a lot of stress, but you are not able to get out of that situation because you should work, there is no one to help you, and so you are addicted to work, or you are having some kind of addictions like you are drinking alcohol a lot, or smoking a lot, or there is someone in your life, like the authority or your boss, who is actually controlling your life a lot, and he's giving you some small things. It's like he's luring you, but after showing you this kind of carrot, he's showing you kind of carrot, and you are like, okay, you will get reward once you complete that work, but in your personal life you are actually out of the balance because it is not helping you to grow. So you are worried about entire situation that there is no balance remained in your life, so you want to have that balance again. You really want to see the situation, contemplate that situation again, and have that balance back in your life, where you were emotionally, physically feeling happy. So yes, this is the problem or situation you are worried about. You are really got addicted to something. This addiction is kind of anything. It can be like you are watching more videos on YouTube, or you are constantly using social media, and this kind of addiction also cause problem because then you're not able to think, you are not talking to other people, and it's like it's really not a good sign. So you really need to have balance in your life. So what solution or comforting message for you guys, which I can sense here? Nine of Wands, Ace of Swords, and Three of Cups. So yes, if you are really using social media for a long time, then yes, the comforting message is finally you will be able to get out of such a situation. You will finally start mixing up with different people. You will start celebrating life without social media, without phone, or without judging each other. And yes, the devil's situation, even earlier you have fought with different negative situation, I would say, and you have survived. So again you will also get out of this devil situation. You will get clarity, you will finally understand that whatever you are doing, it's not helping you to grow. So you will start cutting out such people or cutting out such things from your life. If you are smoking a lot, then you will reduce the smoking. Instead of 4 cigarettes, you will start only smoke 2 cigarettes, something like that. And you will spend more time with people who actually love you a lot. So again, you will find a balance in your personal life. So I'm not thinking that I'm not getting the vibe that you have some money related issues, but this is more about emotional things. It's more about how you are feeling. So you are worried about your emotional being, and being with different people, or your addictions. So the comforting message for you guys that you will survive. You guys will survive after fighting with the devil inside you. So you will win this fight, and you will actually get out of this entire devilish situation. And you will realize it that yes, whatever you are doing, you should stop doing it. And once that realization comes, you will be free. So this balance is coming in your life. This is the comforting message for you guys. The divine message, the courageous peony, multifaceted, unique nature. Let yourself be seen. Yes, of course, you have to go with different people, celebrate your life, let yourself be seen, instead of just sitting inside your home, instead of just being online scrolling through the different memes. It will not help you. So it's better to get out with your people and start experiencing life. So it really needs courage to stop thinking about or stop doing whatever is giving you happiness, but for temporary basis, which is giving you happiness on temporary basis. And you will start feeling drained after some time, once that temporary happiness is over. So it really takes courage to get out of this situation, and finally you will take that step to balance your life again. And how you should keep your mindset. So your mind, yes, the whatever you will just keep your card here, whatever you feed in your mind, the mind works accordingly. So you should be playful. You should be more playful, and you should feed good things in your mind, so that you will start getting different ideas and start being happy again. So yes, you really need to stop worrying and be playful again. You should start getting your life on the track again, because once you have that balance in your life, everything will everything will get sorted. So this is the message I can see for you guys, pile number 2 people. Hope this message will resonate with your current situation. If you like my videos, please do subscribe my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Hi pile 3, those who have selected the third pile, let's get into your message. So today we are going to see what are you worried about, and what is the comforting message from universe. So we have got your tarot cards, oracle cards, and we will see what are you guys exactly worrying about, and what exactly is the causing this situation. Then the solution and comforting message for you guys, and the divine message as well from the universe, and how you should keep your mindset. So let's get into your message one by one. So, Two of Pentacles in reverse and Four of Cups. So, immediately I'm getting that you are not happy with the resources which you are having. You want to achieve something, but you are thinking that you are not having enough money, or you are not having enough resources which are the basic needs to establish something. So you are thinking that your life is not having balance, and you are constantly worrying about the scarcity or the lack of something in your life. Maybe you are comparing yourself with other people, and you are thinking that okay, other people are having so many things. They are having a brand new car, they are owning a house, but you guys are thinking that okay, I'm not having that brand new car, or I'm staying in a house on rent. And then you're constantly worrying that how other people are happy, how they are transforming into good things, but your progress is slow. But you are really forgetting that the universe is offering you other blessings, and you are constantly worrying about the things and the scarcity you are having. So you are actually not paying the attention what universe is bringing to you, bringing into your life. I'm really thinking that you are comparing yourself with other people, and you are thinking that you are having lack of everything. The scarcity mindset I can sense here. So the solution for this, which tarot cards are bringing? And Six of Pentacles. I'm getting the message that you should start celebrating your life. You are thinking that you are having scarcity in your life, but in reality, you are having the life of Empress. It's like you are having these three golden cups, and it's okay to have three golden cups. It may so happen that other people won't be having three, they might be having two as well, and you are not aware about this. So the thing is, the life which you are having, it's, you are really blessed that you have got such financial stability. At least you are having a house, at least you are progressing, at least you are progressing. So you are having people who are supporting you, so you should feel grateful about those people. And the comforting message is, yes, your finances are growing, yes, you are getting clarity, you are getting other cups. I mean, if you are having that mindset of scarcity, then yes, your wish is getting fulfilled, and soon you will celebrate your life, or soon you will achieve many things in your life. You will have that empress type of life, and your thought pattern will get cleared once you accept this fourth cup. And you will start also helping other people. So this is what I am getting from your cards, that the comforting message is, you are getting the money, or you are getting your whatever is there in your life, you will get those things. So this comforting message I am getting for you guys. And soon you will also start helping other people, or it will be other way around, like other people will also help you to get out of this scarcity situation. Pile 3 people, you are absolutely blessed, but you are really not seeing yourself as a blessed person. I'm also getting that vibe that you are having beauty with brain. If you are a woman, I mean, it's not gender specific, but I'm really getting the vibe. I'm really getting the vibe that you are having creative mindset, plus also physically you are beautiful. You are having a good physique. Start appreciating those things, because everyone is not blessed with good physique, or everyone is not creative. Some people are just stuck in their day-to-day life, but you guys are not stuck. You are getting support, you are progressing. So this is the comforting message, that there are people to support you, there are people with whom you can celebrate your life. So the divine message is, child of the cosmos, the intelligence of the universe lies within you. See what I've told you, the clarity, the intelligence, your intuition is strong, and your mind is creative, and that's why a universe can easily guide you, because you are already child of the cosmos. So it is not difficult for you to communicate to universe directly whenever you are stuck. Universe is actually offering you help. So start accepting help, and start working on your dreams, because soon your dreams will get fulfilled. This is the vibe I'm getting. Stop comparing yourself. It should not be like, if you are 30 years old and your friend is also 30 years old, but he or she has achieved something bigger in their life, and you are still working on your career, or you are stuck in that 9 to 5 job. It does not mean that you're lacking in progress. You are also progressing, but you should stop comparing your life with others, and start focusing on what exactly you want to build up in your life. How you should keep your mindset? Adventure. See, life is an adventure. You can also take risk. Adventure can bring many things. It will actually make you strong. you will start exploring many things. You will start walking on the paths which you have not explored earlier. Your creative mindset will take you everywhere. I mean, the paths which are needed to be walked on, you will start walking on such paths, and your life will be full of adventure. And this adventure is in good way. It's not something harmful for you, but you should be curious enough to understand what universe is trying to say, or where universe is trying to take you. So you should not ignore your intuition. So it is quite a short reading for you guys, because it might I'm getting the vibe that you are already aware that your help is coming for you. The clarity is coming. Your creative mindset is actually guiding you how to, what to do, uh, what should be your next step. And that's why while shuffling your cards also, I did not get many cards for you guys. Like for pile 1 and 2 there were many cards, but for you guys there were like only 1 or 2 cards. So from each deck I'm saying. So this is the reading I'm getting for you guys. It's like you are already aware that help is coming, that support is coming, and universe is actually guiding you. So hope you guys will follow the instruction from the universe, and this reading will resonate with your current situation. If yes, then subscribe to my channel. Yes, I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Hi pile 4. Those who have selected the last pile, let's see what are you guys worried about, and what is the exact situation which is causing you an issue. The tarot cards as well for the solution and comforting message for you guys. The angel message is also there, what universe is working in the background for you guys, and the mindset you should keep during this entire situation. So we will get into your tarot cards and oracle cards in a minute. So let's first start talking about let's first start checking what are you guys worried about. Okay, pile number 4. Five of Swords and Ace of Cups. Pile number 4 people, you guys are really worried about how people see you. I'm getting this vibe that you are having people pleasing personality, people pleasing attitude. If you are really afraid about cutting the cords from toxic people. You are emotionally fulfilled when people appreciate you, or they only say good things about you. But once people start saying bad things about you, or if they criticize you or start giving feedback, like how you should improve yourself, then you think that you are a bad person. You are also worried about that you are being old, like having old mindset compared to other people, and you are worried about that as well, that whether you will fit in the society or the people of your age group. You are also worried about conflicts. If suppose there are many people in a group and some conversation is happening, and you are not agreeing to certain points, then you are afraid of putting out your points and actually proving your points, because you are worried that okay, how people will think, they might think that you are a bad person and you are not agreeing to their points. You are worried about how you can keep everyone happy. So actually I'm getting that people pleasing attitude for you guys. So you are worried about how you can maintain your image in the society, like you are a really good person. So this vibe I'm getting. So let's see what is the solution for this, what tarot cards wants to say. The High Priestess, Page of Swords, Nine of Swords, and Four of Swords. It's all about your thoughts. So yes, there is a strong message. First of all, it's okay to be vulnerable. It's okay to not being okay. See, the High Priestess is having yin yang balance, and she knows what she wants. She is having that high level standard, and everyone cannot approach to her. So she is not having people pleasing attitude, even if she is polite. She's having that authority mindset as well. So if she is not feeling well, she will try to balance it. Uh, she will try to balance it once she starts doing what she actually appreciates in her life. So if she is not feeling good emotionally, she is drained, then she may talk to different friends or celebrate her life in a good way. So Four of Wands is like actually being with genuine people. It's not like everyone should like you. It's okay to have two, three friends and be happy with them. It's okay to cut out people from your life and maintaining high standard, or only quality people in your life. So it's absolutely fine. Um, you're not giving cocky type of vibe. It's like you're keeping the boundaries. See, you're keeping the boundaries. So the comforting message for you guys, it's okay for not being okay, but it's okay to have quality people, only quality people in your life. So this realization will come into your life. So this comforting message is there, and you will be like, okay, fine. Even if that person is now gone out of my life, but I'm still feeling okay. So you will realize such things, that it's okay not to have people pleasing attitude. What divine message is trying to say, big picture thinking. inspired ideas, visionary. It's better to focus on your vision, or better to focus on your own happiness rather than keeping others' happiness before you, or not giving you priority. It's better to think about yourself, have that big picture thinking, because if you start sacrificing everything, then where your life will take ahead. How your life will be after 5 years down the line. So you should have such big picture thinking, and you should start working on your own goals, or you're working for your own happiness. And universe is actually working in the background, and you will start realizing the things, like you will start cutting out people from your life if they are really not helping you to grow. And finally you will reach here, I mean that golden gate will appear, and you will be more than happy that yes, you have achieved something. You have achieved the high standard, like high priestess. How you should keep the mindset. See, again, aloneness, receptivity. Being alone does not mean you are lonely. It's like you are having your own company, and you should enjoy your own company, because once you are still, you are having calmness in your mind, you will start receiving many messages from the universe can actually guide you in better way. Don't be afraid to be alone, because then only your cup will get fulfilled. You will be emotionally fulfilled once universe starts guiding you. I can sense that a lot of women have will choose this pile, because I can sense a strong feminine energy in this pile. If you are a divorcee, I mean recently divorced, you have actually cut out the toxic partner from your life, or even the breakup, we can say. Don't worry about it too much. Don't think like what this person uh, would be doing without you. It's not your job to worry about your partner. He or she is gone. This person is gone. You should celebrate your life instead of just crying over the things which were not helping you to grow. You should maintain your high standard, like high priestess, and start working on your dreams, or being emotionally fulfilled. So you should actually start thinking about your big picture. Where do you see yourself 5 years down the line? So it's more about leaving your old things and moving ahead, and universe will guide you. So this is the comforting message for you guys. Pile number 4. Uh, Let me know if it is resonating with your current situation. If yes, then give me a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye.